Hey everybody, Cale with Melling Performance. This week we're excited to announce a new timing set for the Gen 3 Chrysler Hemi engines. This is a VVT Elimination Kit. Comes with a VVT Elimination cam sprocket, timing chain, tensioner, chain guide, oil pump drive, and a 9-way adjustable crankshaft sprocket. If you're in the market for a VVT Elimination Kit for your Gen 3 Hemi, make sure you check out Melling part number 8576-9.